everyone, we're going to find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the region bounded by our line y equals square root of 2 and our curve y equals secant of x. And the boundaries are already given to us at negative pi divided by 4 to pi divided by 4. We're going to use this formula here for revolving about the x-axis. So we're going to use this formula here. I'll write it out in just a minute. Let's graph this. If you graph this from, let's see, 0, we have pi divided by 2, pi divided by 4, and then negative pi divided by 4. And then so basically we go up here, and at 0 we're at 1, and then opens up, and then it's going to go up a little bit here at 1 point. Square root of 2 is 1.41 approximately. So I'm just sketching this. So here's your line, y equals square root of 2. I'm going to cross this out here a little bit. So the shaded region is right here, and we're revolving about the x-axis here. So using this formula, what we're looking at is our volume equals pi, and we're going from negative pi divided by 4 to pi divided by 4. Now, your f of x is going to be the upper part, the part that's enclosing the upper boundary of the shaded region, and that is your y equals square root of 2. So you're going to write this as f of x is going to be square root of 2 squared. Then minus this piece here, which is the lower boundary, and that is your secant. So this is going to be secant squared of x, and then we can say dx. All right, this is going to equal pi, and then we're going from negative pi divided by 4 to pi divided by 4, and this is just going to be 2 minus secant squared of x dx. So when you integrate this, you're going to get pi. This piece is going to be 2x minus the antiderivative of secant squared is tan, so tan of x. And we're evaluating this again from negative pi divided by 4 to pi divided by 4. All right, so let's do that. I'll write it down again. We have pi 2x minus tan of x, negative pi divided by 4 to pi divided by 4. Okay, so starting at pi divided by 4, this is going to give you pi. And then for this piece, you get pi divided by 2. Tan of pi divided by 4 is 1. So you have minus 1. Minus, and then when you substitute negative pi divided by 4, you're going to get negative pi divided by 2. And tan of negative pi divided by 4 is negative 1. So minus the negative is going to give you plus 1. All right. So let's see what we get. We get pi times pi divided by 2 minus 1 plus pi divided by 2 minus 1. All right. So this is going to give you, this is going to be pi. This is going to be just pi. When you add these two, you get pi minus 2. So if you distribute that, that's going to be pi squared minus 2 pi. And that is your volume. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.